Bullying or libel or whatever at the right age. Pag hindi pa tama ang edad, pwede sila na mapunta sa Boys Town for what? For correction and formation. Ibig sabihin, i-correct yung pagkatao. Dapat tayong scouts, hindi tayo makabilang doon. Kasi napakaganda ng ating program. Trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, reverent. Sundin nyo lang ang 90% niyan. Nung bawat isang yan, nung puntos na yan, kahit hindi lahat. Of course, hindi tayo magiging perfect kahit kailan. You know, if you aim for perfection, the very day that you're starting to be perfect, that is the very day you fail. Walang makaka-perfect, pangalan lang. Pero let us try to be a good person, a good individual every day. Kaya nga meron tayong do a good turn daily. Ano? Yung motto and slogan natin na laging handa, gawin yung habit. Habit is developed by constant doing. Saan nyo sisimulan? Sa bahay. Charity begins at home. I hope I am making sense and it is being absorbed by your coconut shell, ladies and gentlemen. My fellow and brother scouts. Dahil we are different from the rest. We are different. Of course, we are not in a seminary, we are not in a clergy, we are not in a monastery. We are not monks where spiritual perfection is being practiced. Pero let us try to be good and better every day. Kalaban natin yung sarili natin kahapon, kanina. Hanggang sa tayo ay ma-develop natin yung habit. Maging passion natin yung pagsasabuhay ng bilang isang scout. At lumukob nawa sa ating lahat yung scouting spirit. Karga niya yan, nakabaksa man o tayo hindi. Registered na kayo as scouter at as scouts, may rank na kayo, first class, second class, venturer, outdoorsman, lalo na yung mga venturer no more, Eagle Scout not yet, yung wala pang Court of Honor. Kayo ay markado na. You are marked and expected to be a good person dahil nga tayo ay scout. Are you getting my point, people? You are not dummy if you do nang hindi kasama doon sa scouting spirit. You are committing. You are damaging not only yourself but the whole organization. Scout pa naman. You are not expected to tanglasing or to curse someone. Naka-uniform pa man din, nagdi-dirty finger. Nagalit dun sa kaklase. Hindi man nagalit, nagbibiro, naka-uniform, nakataypay. It happens in every outfit. Kasalanan lagi ng advisor. Kasalanan lagi ng Scoutmaster. Sa dami nyo, kagaya sa Lopez High, 300 to 50 ang scouts dyan. Kasalanan namin lagi. Bakit? We are always answerable for whatever you do. We are being credited for any good things that you accomplish, that you do. And the same manner, it is a blessing and it is a curse. A curse pala, baka curse. Isa ng curse. Bachelor rin na. It is a curse na anything you do, but undesirable is always our fault. Kahit hindi namin kayo ma-supervise lahat. Please, being ambassadors of goodwill, ambassadors of scouting, agents of change, gawin natin ang tama. You do the right thing at the right place and okay? So,